President, do you have any reaction to the attacks between India and Pakistan?
No, it's a shame. We just heard about it just as we were walking in the doors of the Oval. Just heard about it. I guess people knew something was going to happen based on a little bit of the past. They've been fighting for a long time. You know, they've been fighting for many, many decades and centuries, actually, if you really think about it. No, I just hope it ends very quickly.
Mr. President, are you considering adding a stop in Israel during next week's trip to the Middle East? And also, what's your reaction to Israel's plan to reoccupy Gaza if there is no ceasefire?
Well, the plan we haven't talked about, but we're not planning on stopping in Israel. But we will be doing it at some point, but not for this trip.
Mr. President, there's a report that the UK is offering various trade concessions. What's your response to that? And also,
who? What?
The United Kingdom.
Yeah.
And can you also say if you were discussing tariffs with Mr. Arnold?
And what about the United Kingdom?
They're offering various trade concessions, apparently, cars, steel, digital services.
They're offering us concessions? Yes. I hope so.
President, you're saying that
They do want to make a deal very badly.
Did you say your guests here, are you discussing tariffs or business?
No, I think that United Kingdom, like every other country, they want to be go shopping in the United States of America. China wants to, very much wants to make a deal. They all do. Yeah, I would say that every country wants to make a deal, and not the ones they had in the past where we were like, look, we were being ripped off by every country practically without exception in the entire world. And those days are over. Those days are over. And, you know, I said before in our meeting with the new and very talented Prime Minister of Canada that we have some very big announcements.